okay? YouTube has turned me into a cosmetologist. Like, who needs school? Who needs school when you got YouTube? Y'all girl was killing it in this video, and you will see shortly. Okay, how I did a frontal install, my first frontal install at that, on one of my close friends. Honestly, don't understand or know why she felt like she can trust me to do this, considering I've never done it before. Thank you, girl, for letting me practice on you, boo-boo, because guess what? I'm a cosmetologist now, and can't nobody tell me different, okay? So who needs school? I'm just kidding, all right? Go to school, okay? Do it. It's worth it. YouTube can only show you but so much. But guess what? It showed me enough today. Disclaimer, okay? Before y'all come for me in these comments, I look so bad in this video. So just, you know, disregard that and just look at how I did my friend's hair, because that's all that matters. It doesn't matter about how I look. It matters about how she looked, okay? If you want to come to how to build a bad workshop, then go ahead and continue watching this video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to build a bad bitch. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. No, help me help you, sis. Out. No need to be a crab in a barrel. We all family, like a giant tree, heading straight for the sky. But stay tuned. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you. Bye.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright, so as you guys can see right here, I'm going to be blowing out her hair to make it a little bit straighter than what it is right now, so that way it can be easier for me to cornrow her hair. The type of blow dryer that I'm using is the Silver Bird blow dryer I got from my local Sally's beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure you can probably purchase it from off of Amazon, but I don't really know the price of it at the moment, but you can just go to your local beauty supply store. So now that I have her hair blown out, I'm going to go ahead and start on the cornrow process. Go ahead and give you guys a quick slow-mo of her braids to show you what it's looking like. Go ahead and place the wig cap on her head. I don't know what I was doing, y'all, but her head was kind of big and this cap is too little, but it's all good. She helped me out in the end. So now I'm just going to cut small holes into the stocking cap where her ears are. Go ahead and get out your Got2b glue free spray and start spraying the cap in the desired area. So So as you can see, this freeze spray is very runny, so I tried to use the end of the rat tail comb to kind of direct the product where I want it to go, which was not in her eyes, obviously. So as we wait for the got-to-be glue to finish drying, I'm going to go ahead and sew down the back of her stocking cap. So now that everything is done drying, I'm going to go ahead and cut the stocking cap and start outlining her hairline. Now this part you want to be pretty precise because you don't want to cut the stocking cap too far back and or too close to her eyebrows, because then that's just going to look real bad and her frontal install is just going to look wiggy. If you made it this far into my video, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but y'all see how flush that stocking cap is to her skin? I just want y'all to see it. So now we're going to go ahead and take a cotton pad and some alcohol and rub the outline of the stocking cap to make sure we get any excess glue from the freeze spray off of her skin, so that way we can start bonding. Yes, girl, we about to go ahead and put this wig on her. Now, I am not entirely sure where she purchased this wig from. From my understanding, she purchased the hair and had someone create the wig for her. So this is actually a reinstall. She's already worn the wig. The lace was already cut prior to her coming to me today. I don't know, I was tempted into smelling this glue. And it was stank, y'all. So comparing myself to other YouTube videos I've seen in regards to frontal applications, I want to say I probably use way too much glue, but to each his own. So I'm not using a popsicle stick like some YouTubers use. I am using the end of the rat tail comb, and it smoothed out the bond pretty nicely, actually pretty evenly. So after the first coat of the bond dried, I went in with a second layer. Now I'm just pressing the lace frontal on top of the glue now that it all has dried. And I'm just using my fingers and a combination of the comb to press it all down. If you haven't already, go ahead and start following me in all my other social media platforms. My name is down below. Brianna Nakai. Okay, y'all, I just want to point out, look at this bad bitch in the making, y'all. Okay, she's so pretty. Oh, see, she was pretty before she walked through the door, but she's bad now. Okay, girl, we see you.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Thank you guys for watching my channel. This is the final product of after I did her baby hairs. I'm not a stylist, so I didn't style her hair. I just wanted to do the wig application for her. But thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for another video.